Alright you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart right now. I found the awesome brand new rhinomite. New 2025 guys, pretty cool. And here's the back of it. Of course now, all I need for this case is Megarex and Raphael, and I have the whole case complete. Not including a chase, if this case has a chase. I'm not quite sure if it does or not. I don't think it does. Name rhinomite, truck type creature, strength, explosive fury, crash attack, horn blast. There's a dynamite up there. So pretty cool. Rhinomite, I like this one. The best they've done so far compared to the golden one. Okay, so here it is, guys. Ooh, okay, here it is. Look at that, it's rhinomite with the zebra stripes, the pink lips right here, the yellow teeth, black horns. Looks like a zebra print, like I said right now. The tail, purple beadlocks, white rims. Like a light green roll cage, a jade green chassis, rhinomite in yellow right there. Pretty cool. Hot Wheels monstrous, guys. That's a nice one. That's all I got today. Hope you enjoy this unboxing. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.